Samsung officially announces a release date and price of Galaxy Watch FE official. After plenty of rumors, Samsung has finally unveiled Galaxy Watch FE official. It's substantially the first FE product in the Galaxy Watch line, and also a rehashed version of Galaxy Watch 4, which is soon to be launched on June 24th in affordable prices. But this time, Samsung is less likely to meet users' expectations. Here are the features. The watch consists of a plethora of compelling features, including a sapphire glass on top of the screen, and ranges 40mm in size. It's a significant upgrade from the Gorilla Glass DX Plus, which is integrated in Watch 4. The Galaxy Watch FE rocks in an aluminum case, available in a 1.2-inch 396 by 396 Super AMOLED touchscreen, the Exynos W920 SoC at the helm, 1.5GB of RAM, 16GB of storage, highly powered with a massive 247 mAh battery. Moreover, Samsung Galaxy FE would certainly be one of the best watches, as it also entails IP68 rating for dust and waterproof, 5 ATM rating for diving, MIL STD A10H rating for durability, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou Galileo, the Samsung bioactive sensor, optical heart rate, electrical heart, plus bioimpedance analysis, an accelerometer, a barometer, and features different kinds of sensors such as geomagnetic, gyro, and light sensor. The South Korean tech giant has integrated more than 100 various workouts in it, also supports cutting-edge technology and advanced running analysis, heart rate zones, sleep pattern monitor to align the user's sleep pattern by tracking. Additionally, it features a heart rhythm monitor which notifies the users about the heart rhythms, measures blood pressure, ECG, and more. So it's substantially the best fit as it possesses notable health-related features. Galaxy Watch FE would be available for $199 in several colors, such as black, pink, and silver, whereas the LTE model is expected to be available in October, which would cost around $249.99.